So this is the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and whilst the tech was teased at MWC 2019, it's now here and it's aiming to take on Huawei's P30 Pro, but with a few extra tricks up its sleeve. With the Reno 10X Zoom Edition entering the arena, the zoom camera war is now set to hot up over the next few months. But first, let's talk about just how this device looks and feels. The 6.6-inch device is almost all screen, meaning the AMOLED panel offers a 93.1 screen to body ratio for completely uninterrupted usage without any screen adornment, cutout or notch. That's thanks to the nifty shark fin selfie pop-up camera that allows the Reno to have such a huge display without any blemishes. When in motion, that shark fin is nice and smooth, it's almost mesmeric, and it really is an attention grabber. As for the quality of the selfies, during a quick hands-on session it is pretty difficult to get any real indication of the quality, but the overall portrait modes and standard selfies do look rather impressive. The biggest downside of this sliding design is most definitely the lack of water and dust resistance, but with moving parts opening the phone, it surely would have been quite difficult to do so effectively. Anyone worried though about those moving parts? Firstly, Oppo have said it can stand up to 200,000 actuations, or around about 5 years of usage 100 times per day. Of course, we weren't able to test that in a hands-on session, but we will try and give it a go in the full review. Overall, the hardware is attractive in a minimal manner, while the internals and the shark fin do grab the attention. Everywhere else, it feels a little bit safe in the design stakes. Of the two colour options available, I have to say I think the aqua green is arguably the best looking, but the minimal look and feel is one that allows the rest of the experience to really shine. Software-wise, ColorOS 6 does fly thanks to the powerful Snapdragon 855 paired with either 6 or 8GB of RAM. In operation, everything does feel slick, smooth, and the UI overhaul doesn't really weigh down the experience atop Android Pie. I would say that I do prefer ColorOS 6 to EMUI, but it does remind me somewhat of the Poco launcher. Heading round back to the 10X hybrid camera for a moment, and although it is technically been beaten to the punch by the P30 Pro, the Reno has a slight edge with a 6x optical lens and AI processing that gives us a 10x hybrid zoom. In practice, it does seem to stack up well, but we will have a full verdict once we get some extended time with the Reno in the coming weeks. In terms of camera performance, I have high hopes of the Reno as the combination of camera sensors looks to offer something similar to the flexibility found on the P30 Pro. The Reno does come with a massive 4065 mAh battery too. It will be interesting to see just how long this handset can withstand extensive daily usage. So our initial verdict after a super quick hands-on is that the Reno looks to be a striking phone, at least for the extras, if not the overall design. If you want to read more about the Reno, then be sure to head over to 95google.com to read our full hands-on, and remember to subscribe to the channel to see all of our upcoming video content right here on YouTube. I just want to say thank you again for watching, but this is Damien from 95Google saying thanks again, and I'll speak to you later.